4 awesome ways to add papers and citations to Zotero. The first way is using unique identifier like DOI or ISBN. Simply click the magic wand icon, paste your DOI here and hit enter. As you can see, Zotero instantly pulls the author name, year and journal details for you. The second way is for the files you already have. Click on Add the file or just drag and drop your research PDFs directly into Zotero. It will automatically scan the document and extract all the metadata needed for your citations. If you have a list of papers from Google Scholar or another manager, use the import feature. By uploading a BibTeX or RIS file, you can add dozens of papers to your library in a single click. The last method is the most efficient one and my personal favorite. While browsing a journal's website, just click the Zotero connector in your browser bar. It detects the paper, saves the detail, and even downloads the full text PDF if available to your folder automatically. To get the most out of Zotero, including how to install Word plugin, sync across different devices, format references for specific journals, check out my mini tutorial videos linked below. And for a complete step-by-step masterclass, I have also uploaded a full guide. Which of these methods is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you encounter any problem, just ask me, I am here to help. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.